Because if there's any lonely fellas in the house tonight,
I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior. And
the ladies are looking out, and they're not ordinary ladies, they're dangerous ladies. About recognizing dangerous girls and being alone, you know, wine and grind, and you already know. Like Tabo, and possibly bring you over. Look back and watch me stand back. Normally after we smack that, the boys we like to celebrate. This lady, she's been so gracious. blessed us with some nice, you know. So we always celebrate and we go singing songs like this right here. I just
One more? Are you saying one more? Let me hear you say Akon! 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 I'm about to bring Akon back right now.
It looks like we have to go.